Hi, I am Jackie Shah, Vice President of the PSOJ. October is National Manufacturers Month, and the PSOJ stands with the Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association for the celebrations. In these unprecedented times, we are seeing the negative impact of the global pandemic on our economy and on the livelihoods of our fellow Jamaicans. It will take all hands on deck to recover, and we recognize the significant role that the manufacturing sector will play in the recovery efforts. The sector has long been an important contributor to Jamaica's development. It currently employs over 78,000 individuals and contributes 8.6% of the country's GDP and produces many outstanding products that we enjoy today. This year, the JMEA is celebrating Manufacturers Month under the theme, Recover and Renew with Manufacturing. We want to applaud those members who are making every effort to recover and renew, and those who are actively looking for and pursuing opportunities that arise in a crisis such as this. The PSOJ encourages you to be bold, continue innovating, leverage technology to improve productivity, and continue to manufacture world-class products that can compete in the global marketplace. PSOJ stands ready to support the growth and development of our manufacturing sector and wishes all its members happy celebrations and continued success in the future.